Aha.
Hey guys.
Hello, Charlie.
Well, today we are at Kennington. We're doing all the stations in Moreland, so I'm going to be doing the Moreland branch this time.
The train now approaching is to Moreland.
Let's get on.
Oval?
It's not bad.
Hey,
It's not bad.
it's not bad. Where is the oval?
The actual oval.
You know what the oval is?
Nah.
It's a big cricket ground. Home of Surrey Cricket. I think it's there. Let's go.
So that's the oval done. I guess we could do like another. Wait, record me.
Oh, there you go. There you go. Thank you.
Have a lovely day.
Cheers.
I like these.
Oh, these lights. Yeah, they're nice.
It's very dead. It's a very
So-
dead building. The awkward thing about these series, it's like it's quite awkward because like the guy that works here like recognizes you, and like
Does
yeah, it's like you get out and you come quite back quickly, so you probably recognise. It's just that.
Yeah. See? 22nd of July.
What, May 20th? No, 22nd of July.
Yeah, that's when he died.
Died here on July 22nd. These barriers are quite. Is this side north or south? Is that south?
South. South. North.
Yeah, this platform's south. That one's north. So you guys probably remember this from the Clapham video.
I've got a link to it.
You can put a link to it.
Link it up there. Or is it up there?
Well, see.
Looks like the cloud is part of the station.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, what were you saying on the platform? That you remember this from the Clapham videos?
Yeah, you can put a link to it.
I will. Put a link to it.
I can't remember how. It was
Up
probably.
there.
It
I
was
think it's 2 years ago.
No, not 2 years ago. Yeah, if I'm right, and I remember with my very random memory, we did this. We did the Clapham video on October 9th, 2022.
It was 2 years ago.
It's not 2 years
Oh
ago.
God, you're so pedantic.
I'm very. Well, how do you say it?
Picky.
I'm very picky and I'm not picky. I'm like very on the spot with it. It's on the corner though. It's cool. It's on
Yeah, this is okay.
It's the area's not that much, but
Go on.
our train's in 3 minutes. Clapham Common.
I like this one.
Huh?
I like this one.
They're fun to do. These series are fun to do. The annoying thing is when you're in the tube on doing it, you don't get any time to sit down. You just you're
Up down all the time, aren't you?
you're just going up, then it's like you have to come all the way up here. So then you just go back down. Put it up.
What?
Wait, go. It's a good branch to do because there's constant trains though, isn't there?
The best branch yet.
And the thing about these is like you don't have too much. You can't you can just take the time, can't you? Like you're not in any rush for these things, are you?
There's the middle.
Huh?
Middle.
Yeah.
Clapham South.
I got so confused for a second. It said Clapham, you said Clapham South. Then look what it says there. Clapham Common.
South of Clapham Common, yeah.
It's pretty just the basic one.
It is.
Oh, actually the building, you need to look up.
Got some nice octagonal skylights in there.
We have 3 minutes.
Oh, 3 minutes. Should we go? Let's do it. Okay,
Got Balham,
there's two, there's one there. There's one there.
and then there's a third one.
Oh,
National Railway.
National Railway, okay.
There's a Southern Station.
Of course, yeah.
There's the 2 underground entrances.
Go down here?
Yeah.
Okay, go. No.
And I'm pretty sure this one goes underground the longest on any underground in London.
Oh yeah, this used to be the longest tunnel in the world, didn't it?
Did it?
Yeah, from East Finchley to Morden used to be the longest tunnel in the world when I was your age.
But now it's gone like I think the longest now is in Switzerland. We said it's like what 40 miles long, which is insane.
So what's that? That's the west. It's gone. Oh, I like that. I quite like that one.
Huh?
I like this one.
Split second in your face, and then next your oyster card with you. Miles.
Okay. Collier's Wood.
Kind of.
One of the parts of the world I thought I'd never come to.
Of London.
Yeah.
It's not bad, I mean. What do you have? Got a few shops on Little Road.
Parade of shops.
Got a big Sainsbury's in the back.
Big Sainsbury's, a small co-op.
A little petrol
Smart.
station.
Smart pub. Holiday Inn.
Petrol station. Let's go on to our penultimate stop.
Penultimate, yes. It's on a curve. Quite like that. There you go. Another one of those. A big rounder. I like that sign, Charlie. What? Hello. You abandoned me.
finished pretty much good timing. Another one of those lights.
Another one of those lights, I know.
I remember hearing I don't know, the guy, people watching will know Jeff Marshall. He pointed out in one of the secret songs, like the secret, he did like a,
Yeah.
he said about Morden, he said that Morden, there was an owl somewhere on the roof.
On the roof.
In here. No one could find it.
Okay. Where?
There it is.
Where?
Up there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so guys, look, this is what we're looking for here. So guys, the owl's up there. You can do it there.
Right. You can do an outro quickly?
So guys, well, actually, no, let's go.
See you in the next video.
See you in the